Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is living with clarity and dharma, navigating boundaries in an imperfect world. Ladies and gentlemen, the world in all its beauty remains an intricate web of imperfections. Misunderstandings arise, emotional wounds are inflicted, and the purity of kindness often meets the harshness of disregard. Yet, amidst this complexity, a timeless truth endures. Life does not demand passive endurance. It invites conscious alignment. The journey is not about seeking a flawless world, but about cultivating an inner coherence where thoughts, emotions, and actions move in harmony. In this sacred alignment, clarity becomes a personal compass, empowering individuals to navigate relationships, challenges, and decisions with dignity, strength, and serenity. Forgiveness stands as a noble virtue, but it finds its true strength when coupled with discernment. Emotional science affirms that tolerance without boundaries depletes self-worth and dims the inner light. When forgiveness flows with this awareness, it liberates the heart from resentment while preserving the sanctity of one's emotional energy. Protecting personal space is not resistance. It is an act of self-respect aligned with dharma. Silent suffering, often mistaken as virtue, does not inspire transformation in others. Human behavior patterns reveal that boundaries respectfully asserted create the necessary framework for accountability and mutual respect. Growth, both personal and collective, is nurtured not through passive sacrifice, but through conscious choices that honor dignity and emotional balance. Expectations, when entwined with acts of kindness, quietly seed the potential for disappointment. Emotional psychology teaches that giving becomes pure when detached from the need for reciprocation. Such detachment does not diminish human bonds. It elevates them, transforming relationships from transactions to conscious connections. Attachment blurs perception. Over-attachment as cognitive science validates, distorts judgment, often leading to self-inflicted hurt. Awareness acts as a guardian, enabling individuals to see situations and people as they are, not as projections of emotional longing. Emotional confusion disrupts clarity, leading to decisions that compromise inner peace. Yet, when kindness is guided by awareness, emotional intelligence evolves from a passive trait into an active force of discernment. Boundaries in this light are not barriers of isolation, but channels through which authentic love and respect flow unhindered. Life does not operate on emotional fairness. It responds to alignment, action, and awareness. This truth is not harsh. It is liberating, for it invites every individual to rise above emotional entanglements and live anchored in Dharma, a state where choices are guided by inner truth rather than external expectations. What's the way forward? In an imperfect world, emotional clarity and self-alignment are not luxuries. They are necessities. The pathway forward rests on three pillars of conscious living. First, inner coherence, a state where thoughts, emotions, and actions are harmonized through self-awareness, creating resilience against external chaos and emotional turbulence. Second, boundary empowerment. Boundaries are not walls of pride, but filters of wisdom, preserving energy for meaningful connections and shielding against energy draining dynamics. Third, dharma-centric living. Choices rooted in dharma, actions aligned with personal truth, growth, and universal harmony become the foundation of a life lived with purpose and grace. These are not abstract ideals. They are practical, everyday tools. Those who embrace this alignment find that even in the midst of life's storms, the universe becomes an unseen ally, guiding, protecting, and uplifting. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in the revealed dialogue of the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna bestows an eternal promise to those who remain steadfast in seeking me with pure devotion. I personally take responsibility for what they lack and preserve what they possess. This is not a favor. It is the divine design of the cosmos, where sincere alignment evokes universal guardianship. Perfection is not a prerequisite. Sincerity is. The Gita does not demand flawlessness. It calls for clarity of heart, alignment of intent, and trust in the divine's response to genuine seeking. Forgiveness shines when empowered by discernment. Love nourishes when guarded by boundaries. Dharma, when embraced consciously, transforms the entire life journey into a sacred alignment with cosmic intelligence. In this eternal framework, no soul remains unsupported. Every prayer, every conscious act, every sincere emotional call aligns the individual with the pulse of the universe, ensuring that the divine walks silently beside, guiding, uplifting, and protecting. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.